Maggie's a bird dog. A bird dog. She just races through back there, and the birds go flying. I mean, she really is. She's goes really fast, and the birds just, what was that? You know, and they just fly up into the air. We got a butterfly bush. Usually there's white butterflies, but that was a red one. There's a squirrel in the tree back there. I hear a bark. It's not a tree talking. Uh-oh. I better see what this is. I know what it is. It's somebody walking a dog to the park. Yeah. Yeah. I had to plug every little opening so so she wouldn't get out. Yeah. Where are you going, Maggie? This is the stuff. Somewhere in there she got the green little tiny vines stuck to her skin. If anybody knows what that is, please comment, please. All right. And it was like green moss on her jawline. It was very difficult to get off. And we saw a dog out running today. The point on the tail was just a fluff ball. And it was another Maltipoo. So, well, they did that at the shelter. They trimmed her back. It's coming back, but I'm working on her face. Her face is so much different than. I mean, she could barely see out of her eyes. It was just fluff. Maybe I should have left it.